Okay, I'm going to discuss or show you guys exactly how I laid out this audio system at the Lighting Boss studio, and give you the 2D overview in Lighting Boss so I can actually create it as I'm showing you guys how we set it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm already clicked on I've created my project, and I'm going to go to layout. Now I actually have 3 different images here. That's more of a close-up of the putting green area, more of a close-up of the top of the house. And then I have this third image that I took into Photoshop and kind of blended them together. I get that I didn't do a great job, but this isn't a Photoshop tutorial, it's a Lighting Boss tutorial. There's probably programs that do this better, but anyhow, for our purposes, because I like to see it all on one screen if I possibly can. Yes, Lighting Boss allows us to do drawings on multiple screens for huge properties. But the fact is that this will give me everything that I need to see, so I'd rather see it all on one screen. So I brought them together, and here we go. Now, I don't have any icons that are dedicated to audio, so what we'll do is we'll just use our imagination, and we'll go ahead and use our transformer icons for our electronics, being our amplifiers and our controllers. And this is the office area. This is exactly where I keep them, so that's where it'll go. One speaker I don't show in the videos is, oh, those are expensive spotlights. And I'm just going to use random, spotlight icons and well light icons for our speakers and for our subwoofers. So one speaker I don't show you in the videos is this speaker that I added by our basketball hoop. It's a new basketball hoop that's up there now. So that's one of my speakers. I got another speaker right here. Another speaker right here. 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 I also have the 3 around the putting green. The one right behind this chipping area, and the one right behind this driving area. Now my subwoofers, I'll just go ahead and use this symbol for my subwoofers. They go there and there. Okay, so I have the whole system laid out all on one screen. I'm going to show you guys now how I use the wiring screen to show the wiring diagram. And by the way, obviously ignore the pricing on the top right. We're messing around with $3,000 spotlights and well lights when we were setting this up the defaults. So back to the wiring screen. I'm going to use my yellow line here to go from my electronics, and I kicked it out the side of this wall. I brought it down along our stone pathway, and it came right to that speaker. I'll go ahead and I'll use what I call blue line. Basically, I just I ran one line for the speakers out from the wall, and then one line for the subwoofers. But I'm going to show you in different colors so you can kind of see how we did it all. So I've got this line here, goes up the gutter, then it comes back, not to that subwoofer, but next to the subwoofer, to that speaker, and right here to this speaker, that speaker, that speaker, that speaker. Then what I actually did was I split off here. And I went all the way across the yard to there, 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 and there. So that's how I laid out all my speakers. Now my subwoofers, again, they got their own line. They came from the transformer, followed a similar path. They went here, and then just followed the same pathway trenching around till I got to there. So that's exactly how I did the wiring. Now I have a good map of this whole thing, of the whole system, so you guys can see exactly how we laid it out. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions about these audio systems, laying them out or pricing them, don't hesitate to call us.